All right, this is question 1 on the Math 3 EOC practice test. It says, what is the remainder of f of x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 14 is divided by x minus 3. All right, so you can see down here on the bottom, I have covered up number 2 with the remainder theorem. So this is the easiest way to do this. So to find the remainder theorem, you can either do long division, you can do synthetic division, or you can just use the remainder theorem if you know that. So the remainder theorem is the shortest and the quickest if you remember how to do it. All right, so you see when we divide a polynomial f of x by x minus c, the remainder is f of c. So that means we just take whatever number here for c and plug it in to find what we need. So we're going to take this function here. We're going to have, since this is x minus 3, we know that our c down here would be just 3. So we're going to do 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 squared minus 10 times 3 minus 14. So all I did was take my x's and plug in 3, just using the remainder theorem. Then you can take this and plug it into your calculator. So you're going to get 3 cubed is 27, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, negative 10 times 3 is negative 30 minus 14. I said use the calculator, but this is the non-calculator part. So you have to do it by hand. So this would be 54 minus 30. (54) minus 30 is 24, minus 14 would be 10. So your remainder here would be 10. Again, you can do synthetic division, long division, or use the remainder theorem.